Sketch a graph of x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 5. This is an equation that's in the standard form for a circle, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. What we need to do is find the center, given by h comma k, and the radius, given by r, and then we'll be ready to sketch the graph of this circle. Now, in this case, h is going to end up being -3. And the reason is that h is the number that gets subtracted from x. Now here we have a number that's being added to x plus 3, but we can rewrite this as x minus -3. By doing that, we can see that -3 is the number that's being subtracted from x, and so the x-coordinate of the center is going to be -3. There's a trick here. Whatever the constant term is inside the parentheses, we just take the opposite to get the coordinate that we need. Similarly, we can do this for the y-coordinate. Our value of k is going to end up being 2, because the constant term is -2, and the opposite of that is +2. Or we can think about it that 2 is the number being subtracted from y, so 2 is that coordinate. So the center of the circle is going to be at the point -3, 2, which is right here. Good. Now we need to find the radius, and we know that the radius squared is equal to 5. To get the radius by itself, we have to take the square root of that, and we end up with the square root of 5. We don't need a plus or minus symbol when we take the square root of both sides, because we know that the radius is not going to be negative. Now, we want an approximation of this so that we can figure out how to draw our circle, and the square root of 5 is approximately 2.2. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the center, and then we're going to go in each direction from that, right, up, left, and down, 2.2 units to draw our points that we use as guides. So this is going to be the first one right here. It's about 2.2 to the right. We'll go about 2.2 above, 2.2 to the left, and 2.2 below. And then we draw the very best circle that we can by hand that goes through those points. And this is the circle that represents the solutions to x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 5. And that's our final answer.